Cuba Gooding Jr. pleads not guilty to groping woman at bar. New York APU Cuba Gooding Jr. turned himself in and was arrested Thursday on charges he groped a woman in an encounter at a New York City night spot that appears to have been caught on video. The 51-year-old Oscar-winning star of Jerry. He was released on his own recognizance after about 6 hours in police custody. Gooding did not discuss his case as he left court, instead offering well wishes to David Ortiz, the Boston Red Sox star hospitalized after he was shot Sunday in the Dominican Republic. Before getting into a car outside, he added it's. A 29-year-old woman told police that Gooding placed his hand on her breast and squeezed it without her consent Sunday night at Magic Hour Rooftop Bar and Lounge. The woman said, video obtained by TMZ that the website says is from inside the bar on the night in question appears to show Gooding putting his hand on or near a woman's leg and breast as they sit on a couch with another woman between them. Gooding is then seen pulling the woman's hand to his lips, as if to kiss it, and leaning toward her before another man steps up and talks with them. The video could be key evidence for prosecutors, but Gooding's lawyer said the footage showed not Mr. Nothing. Gooding, in a dark blue suit, smiled and waved as he walked into a police station Thursday afternoon to meet with special victims investigators. Inside, later, Gooding sat on a wooden bench in the front row of an austere courtroom, his hands cuffed behind his back and his face turned serious as he waited for his case to be called. As a detective, a conviction could put Gooding behind bars for up to a year. He is due back in, Heller said. He doubted the accuser would show up for court hearings and suggested that prosecutors should charge her with perjury if she testified in court and her allegations were contradicted by video. The NYPD has not identified the accuser. Heller said that, after he and his staff reviewed the 2-hour security video, he was hesitant to let Gooding surrender and thought police and prosecutors would drop the case. The Manhattan District Attorney's Office did not comment. Heller also disputed allegations and media reports from a second woman said to have come forward in recent days and told police that Gooding grabbed her buttocks at a New York City restaurant in 2008. Gooding was not charged on that allegation. Gooding was involved in another bar-related episode in New Orleans in 2012. A bartender said an arrest warrant was issued, but the bartender declined to press charges. As for Sunday night, Gooding told TMZ that he was at Magic Hour partying with friends but didn't touch anyone. He said there's a videos posted on social media show Gooding at the Manhattan bar Sunday night singing the Journey hit faithfully and posing for pictures with fans. The bar, on the roof of the Moxie Hotel south of Times Square, features mini golf and sweeping views of the Empire State Building and other Big Apple landmarks. Gooding, a Bronx native, rose to fame after starring in Boys. 6 years later, he won an Oscar for his role as NFL player in Jerry. Gooding was nominated for an Emmy Award last year for playing the title character in the FX series The. Associated Press writer Kelly Armstrong contributed to this report. Follow Cysac at twitter.com/MikeCysac.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot bar. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park.